let's cut to chase. I'm going to explain my project, Job Hunt Assistant. This is an automation system. It is orchestrated in NNA. Let me talk about why built this app. Or yeah, so applying for jobs and tailoring each resume and cover letter for each according to each job description is very tiring and very slow. I wanted to automate it, and here I am. So this system, it as I said, tailors and generates a latex resume and cover letter for each job, and it's saved in my Google Drive. So whenever I can just go to the job application and I will just apply for the jobs. So yeah, okay, let's now dive deep into it. And there are some surprises here. Okay, let me give you a sneak peek. So I had a huge roadblock in this project where I came up with my own custom solution. I built a full stack application that solved that problem. I'll tell you more about it later. So first off, like we have this workflow here, the brain of the system. So it is scheduled at 9 a.m. every day, but for testing for demo purposes, I pinned all the results already. Let's execute it one more time. Okay, first, I get the job description by scraping in LinkedIn jobs using Apify. Apify is API, kind of an API wrapper, so LinkedIn doesn't flag me for using bots like this. Uh, yeah, and then that job description along with my prompt, it goes to the AI agent, and the AI agent generates the tailored resume and cover letter. So after the AI generation, I have a validation node. So this validation node basically checks if the result uh, are present, if the result is accurate or desired what we wanted. And after that, it merges with the job ID and the AI result and goes to the this. And again, I have a check called AI generation successful. So I have to know if the generation is successful. Validation is kind of like rejects logic, where it checks for the correct and complete latex code. And AI generation node is like if node that it says, okay, it is there, and the stuff is here, and you can proceed with the other one. So this is where the major roadblock was. So Innate is awesome and everything for orchestrating automation systems and stuff like that. But as far as I know, there's no notes for compiling LaTeX to PDF directly. So I have to come up with my own solution, which is LaTeX to PDF converter. So this is in a full stack application that I built. Uh, the front end is React, the back end is Node.js, and I also added this small note for API integration for, if others can use it as well. So as far as I know, this is the first of its kind. No other compiler lets you use the API keys like this, but yeah, I take pride in that. So I built this app based on my modern tech stack principle and my experiences I within another app that is AI Terraform Coder. So this is an application that generates all the Terraform files for your infrastructure with if you just give one line of description. Let me show you a demo here, a small demo actually. So it is multi-cloud as you see. It can give TF files for AWS, Azure, and GCP, and it's gonna also provide a diagram for you, an architecture diagram per se, and I use Mermaid behind it for architecture diagrams, and it gives you project structure, so it's easy to find your files, and it also gives you like the components that is being used. And yeah, just with just one line of description here, you can see the diagram is done and the file structure is here, and the TF files as you with their explanations. So I use the same approach for this, and yeah. So okay, now back to our NNA. Uh, So after compiling the PDFs, just our NNA, the hard part is done. The NNA system just have two API calls, one for resume, one for cover letter. After making the call, it compile the PDF and saves to my Google Drive. So, so from here, I can just upload my resume and cover letter directly. This is my resume and it's the cover letter. Yeah. So one project, the job hunt assistant system shows the complete story. It is an innate automation powered by a custom full stack application solution that I built with React, Node, and Vercel. I developed this using the AI assist tools like Copilot and Cursor for. I use Copilot for I use Copilot for helping with Node.js endpoints and writing Node.js endpoints, and Cursor for any debugging the front end. It's the best example of how I think. I'm an automation first guy, but when the tools reach their limit, like, or if there's a limit to it, I have my full stack skills to build a solution that is needed to attain the goal.